got all the flooring almost finished. This is my last piece. Here we go. Oh, it's done! It's finished! Ah! Give me 5. Give me 5. Yes, but I am building the barn door today. Never built a door before. It's going to be a sliding barn door. And we're going to see how it works. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed. Ignore the mess because this is a work zone currently, but I got my sliding barn door hung up, so that's progress. Love it. After many days later, I finally got almost all the walls in here. I mean, I still gotta finish that and, you know, around the top and this wall and the whole bathroom and the loft. You know what, just never mind. Today I'm building a frame for my antique cast iron sink for my granny. I believe it was built in the 1930s. This is as far back as I can trace it, but I don't have a frame for it, so I'm going to be building one. Let's hope this works. Got the half of the frame built. Just pretty much need to stand it up and put the ends on. So far, so good. Very disappointed. I literally have no idea how I made it that much longer than the sink. I mean, what? I finally got it to fit. Look at this. Oh, this is gonna look great. I just need to finish cleaning up my sink, stain all the wood, put some shiplap on the bottom. Oh, and then I gotta move it in. I need help. I got the shiplap added underneath for the shelf. Now I just need to take the sink off, finish cleaning it, and stain the wood. This is going a lot better than it started. Alright, I got the stain on. Let's put the sink on. Okay, I got it all stained and the sink on here. Let's move it in. I think I finally got it finished. And I finally got it built right. The sink fits perfect, very sturdy. Looks great with this dark stain. I'm working on building a wall at the end of my tub. The tub is very dirty right now. We're making some progress. Still gotta go around top here, and I gotta do this wall, but we got that one done. I finished getting the shower walls built and got the shower wall glued in. I still gotta go around the edges and caulk it, and of course clean up my bathtub. I'm working on finishing up shiplap in here. I'm building a countertop for my stovetop and my toaster oven. Fit right in between my tiny fridge and my big old sink. Got it all put together. Thinking about staining it. I am building my staircase slash bookshelf slash entertainment center. So yeah, I don't know how to do this. Okay, I know this doesn't look like a staircase right now, but I'm hoping that it does very soon. See, I told you guys it was gonna look like a staircase, and my TV can go right there. And then I have bookshelves for more storage, and my dog can go up into my loft with me. Finally got it cleaned up in here a little bit. This may not be my final arrangement here on this whole thing, but I want to use this locker I got from Hobby Lobby as like a pantry. You know, put my canned stuff in. I think it would be pretty neat to have my canned stuff in. I don't know how that works. Oh, like that. Huh. And then have my bar. It rolls. So it's also an island for extra cooking space. My stovetop and toaster oven's gonna sit there. Got my little fridge. Got my beautiful sink from my granny. And then over here I have my entertainment center slash staircase, sleeping loft. Got my bathroom and utility room and closet in here. I mean, it's all still messy right now. I've got to clean that tub. Got my pooper tooper over here. Washer and dryer. My closet's gonna go up over here, and hot water heater here. It's finally starting to all come together. Woohoo!
1,000 years later.
Okay guys, I think the majority of everything is finally finished. Ugh, it's only taken me, let's see, March, April, May, June. Well, I moved in May, so it's only took me like 3 months. But here's the final walkthrough, guys. Alright, so this is my living room. This is a futon, lets down to a bed if I ever have company. And then here's my big entertainment center slash book, staircase, so my dog can go up there with me. Yeah. And then over here's my kitchen area. And then have my little dining room table. And I actually ended up using this as a pantry. It's worked out really good. Excellent place to hide canned stuff. And my sink for my granny. Absolutely love it. And then I got my little cooking area right here. My pots and pans, open shelving. And then we have my sliding door. Goes into my bathroom. Washer, dryer, closet. And then pooper tooper. And my shower. It's a very big tub. It was bigger than when I lived at my parents'. So, yeah, this is my tiny house. It's been a long, hard struggle these past 3 months, but it's been most definitely worth it. Most definitely. Well, we'll see you next time, peoples.